Hey everyone, and welcome to our most in-depth deep dive yet. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey inside the most complex organ in the human body, the brain. Buckle up for top 10 mind-blowing facts that will shatter every preconception you have about that soft, squishy mass packed inside your skull. We'll cover energy consumption, neural cityscapes, lightning-fast signals, lifelong rewiring, nightly maintenance routines, emotional command centers, memory illusions, chemical communications, split-second intuition, and the ultimate mystery of consciousness itself. This video is long, packed with detail, and hopefully absolutely fascinating. Before we begin, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video so we can all marvel together at the wonders of the human brain. The energy-hungry powerhouse. Though the brain accounts for roughly 2% of your body weight, it guzzles up to 25% of your body's total energy at rest, and even more when you're mentally active. Imagine a tiny engine under your skull that runs at full throttle 24/7, whether you're reading, dreaming, or simply blinking. Without a constant supply of glucose and oxygen, neurons begin to misfire within minutes, leading to confusion, dizziness, and eventually unconsciousness. That's why a balanced diet rich in complex carbs, healthy fats, and proteins is your brain's best friend. Neural megacity. 100 billion neurons inside your head lies a metropolis of about 100 billion neurons, each branching out to connect with up to 10,000 others via junctions called synapses. That's on the order of trillions of connections, forming an intricate network that processes every sight, sound, memory, and sensation. Whenever you think, feel, or move, electrical impulses and chemical neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine zip along these synapses at supersonic speeds, orchestrating thought, emotion, and action. Lightning-fast signals. Certain axons in your brain conduct impulses at speeds up to 100 meters per second, faster than many Olympic sprinters. When you touch something hot, your peripheral nerves relay that pain sensation almost instantaneously, triggering a reflexive jerk before conscious awareness catches up. This high-speed communication is crucial for survival, allowing split-second reactions to danger and seamless coordination of movement. Neuroplasticity, the brain that rewires itself. One of the most remarkable traits of your brain is neuroplasticity, its ability to reorganize synaptic connections throughout your life. Learning a new instrument, mastering a language, or recovering from a stroke all rely on this capacity. Repeated practice strengthens certain neural pathways, while disuse causes others to fade. Even in old age, consistent mental exercise, puzzles, reading, or acquiring new skills, promotes the growth of new connections and preserves cognitive health. Sleep mode, nightly maintenance and memory transfer. When you sleep, your brain switches into an essential maintenance routine. Glymphatic cleaning clears metabolic waste, like beta-amyloid proteins linked to Alzheimer's, via cerebrospinal fluid flow. Memory consolidation transfers short-term memories from the hippocampus to the neocortex for long-term storage. REM dream processing runs emotional simulations, aiding in stress relief and creative problem-solving. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts these processes, leading to memory lapses, mood swings, weakened immunity, and higher risk of chronic diseases. Memory, a creative reconstruction. Your brain doesn't store perfect video replays of events. Instead, it reconstructs memories each time you recall them, sometimes filling in gaps with plausible details you never actually experienced. This malleability explains why eyewitness testimonies often conflict, and how false memories can be implanted through suggestion. The memory you recall today may not be the literal event you lived through yesterday. Chemical choreography, neurotransmitters, and hormones. Within your neural network, a delicate chemical ballet unfolds. Dopamine fuels reward and motivation pathways. Serotonin regulates mood, appetite, and sleep cycles. GABA, the primary inhibitory signal calming overexcitation. Glutamate, the main excitatory messenger, vital for learning and memory. Oxytocin promotes trust and social bonding. Disruptions to these systems underlie depression, anxiety, insomnia, and addiction, highlighting how intimately chemistry shapes your thoughts and feelings. The limbic system, where emotions reign deep inside, lies the limbic system, the brain's emotional command center. Amygdala detects threats and orchestrates fear responses. Hippocampus encodes and retrieves new memories. Hypothalamus regulates hunger, thirst, temperature, and hormone release. A sudden sense of panic triggers the amygdala to flood your system with adrenaline, priming fight-or-flight responses, racing your heart and sharpening focus as you confront or evade perceived danger. Intuition, fast subconscious insight. Ever had a gut feeling you couldn't articulate? That's intuition, the brain's lightning-fast unconscious pattern recognition at work. Years of experience and countless micro-decisions allow experts, drivers, surgeons, athletes, to respond in milliseconds before conscious deliberation kicks in. Intuition is simply neural shortcuts firing up in the background, guiding you with near-effortless accuracy. The hard problem of consciousness. Finally, we arrive at the ultimate mystery. How does conscious experience emerge from biological processes? Philosopher David Chalmers dubbed this the hard problem of consciousness. While we map synaptic firings and neurotransmitter flows, the question, why and how do these processes give rise to subjective I-ness, remains unsolved. Hypotheses range from integrated information theory to quantum brain dynamics, but no consensus has yet emerged. Until then, your rich tapestry of thoughts, feelings, and self-awareness remains the greatest enigma of all. We've explored the top 10 astonishing facts about the human brain, from its prodigious energy demands and sprawling neural metropolis to nightly maintenance routines, emotional circuits, and the mind-bending enigma of consciousness. This organ is evolution's ultimate supercomputer, powerful, adaptive, and profoundly mysterious. Thanks for sticking around for this brain-busting journey. If you enjoyed exploring the inner workings of your own head, hit like, subscribe for more science deep dives, and share this video with fellow knowledge seekers. Drop a comment below telling us which fact blew your mind the most and what other brainy mysteries you'd like us to tackle next. Until then, stay curious and keep those neurons firing.